Welcome to John Finlay group of companies. I'm at the Happy John Finlay and HPR John Finlay factory. Today I'm going to show you the circular series and the dry washing equipment. So let's have a walkthrough and I will explain you how this equipment works. So as you can see, these are the tanks which are used for collecting the dust. So there is no dust pollution, there is no water pollution. The blue tanks that you see, they are compressed of the air. The compressed air been stored there, which would be used by the air jets to separate out the material. Now I'll give you a walkthrough. So this is our Golden Coal series equipment. As you can see, the green tank there and the green tank here that collects the dust from the machine, and it is been sent over to that equipment which collects all the dust. Now, talking about the entire equipment, as you can see, we have the motor installed here. Before going there, the coal is been feeded to the vibrating feeder, which comes with the machine. The machine will separate out the coal, which will then be again feeded here. Here, as you can see on the top, it has the dust collector. So any of the dust that is been produced through the vibrating, it has been collected there. And then we have a long conveyor belt inside the machine. So we have the sensors over here. So as you can see, this red has the X-ray sensors, and then we have the air jets here. As I told you, here we have the X-ray sensor, X-ray machine, and here we have the sensors which does the entire job. So whenever the coal comes in, the X-ray would be emitted here, and this sensor would take the work of running an algorithm which will identify by using XRT technology. XRT technology goes as atomic level of the coal. It identifies the gang and the clean coal, and this is the sensor that does the work, while X-ray would be emitted to sense at the what is the atomic quality of the coal, be it an Indian coal, be it a Russian coal, or be it a Chinese coal. It does not differentiate the type of the coal. It only senses what is inside the coal. So does it have the carbon content? Does it have the gang content? That's what X-ray and the XRT technology does. What does sensor do? It runs the algorithm, and based on the algorithm, it separates out the clean coal and the gang. So how does it separate out? We have the air jets. So here we have the air jets. I'll show you around. As you can see, the tiny dots here, they are the air jet walls, air jets. So that throws the air and it separates out onto the two conveyor belts. There would be a conveyor belts coming out here, and it would be separated out based on the clean and the rejects. This is the motor which would be provided with the 440 voltage, and it would be based on the Indian standard. And this is the control room that I wanted to showcase. So this is the not the control room but the electric panel. As you can see, we have the different electronic panels here. This also comes with the machine, so we don't need to worry about anything to be purchased separately. This is the other product which is called circular series. What it does is just a minute, let me turn off my torch. Yeah. So this separates out from 5 mm to 30 mm, and it goes from 5 mm to 50 mm coal separation, while the Golden Coal series, it goes from 50 mm to 400 mm. Let's have a walkthrough of this circular series equipment. We have the sensors here, and the X-ray is towards the back side of the machine. This particular steel plate and this door panel, they protect against any radiation that are happening, and we emit very like 0.25 millicents of radiation, which is nothing compared to what you get in a single X-ray. So this is a radiation safe machine. As you can see, this also comes with the machine. We have two panels in this circular series equipment. This is one of the electric panel, and as you can see, there is a fan attached to this particular panel, and this is other electric panel. So as you can see, it only requires two electric panel, and the power consumption is really less. Functioning, it on the top, it has the vibrating screen, which vibrates and equally spreads out the material in a circular series, in a circular panel. As we all know, the radius of this circle is 3.14. So the capacity of this machine increases by 3.14 times, because the material is spreaded throughout the circle, which is into the 360 degrees. And on top of that, this particular machine does have a free fall. So when the material is free falling, it detects, the sensor detects it, and during that time only it separates out. So the accuracy would be much way better than the golden coal series. The reason is there is no conveyor belt attached to it, so there's a free fall, so each and every particle can be identified, and the accuracy increases by 5 times. So this is all about the golden coal series and the circular series, and it, as you can see, it does not have any piping, it does not use any water. The only thing that it uses is compressed air. So as you can see behind that, we have the air tank that we need to purchase, and this is the dust collector machine. Only these two things are required to be purchased. Talking about how do we manage the dust, so we don't have to worry about separating any dust. We during the start of the machine every day, we just need to empty this particular tank, which contains the dust and the other dust materials. So it is totally safe, and this machine can operate up to 24 hours a day. Although it is recommended that you take 30 minutes to 1 hour of maintenance break. If we consider that, it can run 23 hours a day. So your capacity can increase significantly, and the life of this machine is up to 10 years. So yeah, that's all. And if you have any inquiries about how this dry washing equipment works, you can contact us at info@johnfinlay.in, and we would be happy to help you out with your coal sorting requirement. And yeah, thank you all for taking this virtual tour. One last thing that I would like to add is this is not an R&D technology. This is a proven technology. We have more than 80 plants running using this circular series and the golden coal series, and we have it installed in Russia, we have it installed in Tajikistan, we have it installed in China, and we are in talk with a few of the customers in India as well. So you will soon be able to see, and this is the revolution that will be seen in coal washery field. And let's join hands together in saving the environment, saving the water, and let's make the world a better place for the new generation. Thank you all. Okay, so this is the control panel of the machine, how it will look like. So if you can just see this particular, I'll show you the working. So once the coal is been feeded here, this is the vibrating skin, so it just vibrates out. This comes with the machine. The material would be separated out, and it would be rotated in 360 degrees. So once here we have the sensors. So sensors detects whether this is a clean coal or the gang coal, and this is the air jets. So it separates out the clean coal and the gang material, and that's how basically this system works. And we have the different monitoring of this, so it shows the current capacity of the machine, and then we will be all able to monitor the efficiency of the system, and it also gives preemptive measures. It has a preemptive warning system. So if there is if anything is wrong with the machine, it will sense it, and it will tell you beforehand that there is something wrong. There are some warnings. So So you can, if you want to have a better maintenance of the machine, you can definitely go through the alert systems, and you can take a preemptive measures rather than solving the things after the error occurs. That will solve the cost, and it will increase the efficiency of the equipment. And as I said, these machines are based on AI and ML, that's artificial intelligence and machine learning. So with more sorting, it learns by itself. So it learns more accurately what is a gang and what is the clean pool. So over the time, it will increase its efficiency. Initially, we start from 97% and it goes up to 99.5% in terms of the accuracy. That is, there would be 97% clean pool, and it will have only 3% of the rejects. And when talking about the rejects, it will only have the 3% of the clean pool. So that is the starting efficiency, and as it sorts out more coal particles, it learns by itself. So that's the beauty of having the AI and ML inside this equipment. So we are bringing the new technology, that's artificial intelligence and machine learning, into the coal washery, which saves the environment. There is no water pollution, no dust pollution. So this is the way ahead. So I request you all to, who are into the coal washery field, I request you to contact me. I'll be able to help you out with your sorting requirement. Let's make the better tomorrow. Thank you all for having this virtual tour with me. Thank you.